Hello students of class 7 standard. Today we will discuss the energy that question answer part. Okay, so I'm just taking your exercise book here and I'm just telling the answer from here. I'm just reading the question and then I will tell the answer. First question is given that give an example in which a body possesses both kinetic and potential energy. So first answer will be you can write down the roller coaster or simple pendulum, you can also write in that case. Okay, so that is the first answer. Next one, energy is interconvertible. Okay, so give example, that means you can able to convert the energy into one form to other form. Suppose if you take the example of the energy just conversion of kinetic to potential energy, then you can give the example that bus is moving, driver applies the brake, the bus will come at the rest position, so definitely the potential energy arises. So that is the conversion you can tell from there. In a solar cell, light energy is converted to what? Solar cell, in that case light energy is converted to actually the electrical energy. Okay, heat energy to electrical energy, you can tell that one, that sunlight is coming, so heat energy is there, so that will be converted to the electrical energy also, you can write down. State the law of conservation of energy. So law of conservation of energy means that energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but you can able to change the energy into one form to other form. So that is actually the conservation rule of energy. Next one, list the different forms of energy. Different forms of energy, that means mechanical energy you can tell, sound energy you can tell, heat energy you can tell, okay, light energy you can tell. So many forms are there, so you can write down that one. Next question, that is the long answer type question. B, distinguish between the kinetic and potential energy, give one example to each other. Kinetic energy and potential energy difference, while you will write down, then you have to say that the definition of that one, the energy processes due to the motion of the body is called, due to the motion of the body the energy processes by the body is called the kinetic energy. Due to the by virtue of the, for the position or the rest position, you can also write that in that case the energy processed by the body is called the potential energy. Next one, you can write down the mathematical form of kinetic energy is half mv square. While you will write that one, just keep note that you have to explain what is m, what is v. If you not explain, then your answer is incomplete. Mass of the body, v the speed of the body or the velocity of the body. Next one, here in this case mathematical form mgh, same thing, mass of the body, acceleration due to gravity, h is the height from the ground, that body, okay, the height of the body. Next one, third is that one, in this case example you can write down, one example you can write easily here, also one example you can write down easily, you can write down here. So these are the, this is actually the difference between kinetic and potential energy. Okay, next question, long answer type question. Second question is given that what do you understand by the law of conservation of energy? I told that one, energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but it can be changed, it can be interconvertible. Okay, next one, discuss how it work in case of simple pendulum. In case of simple pendulum, I have explained that one in the previous video while I just told this part. One simple pendulum is there, one bob is there, one string or one thread is there having mass m amount. So while it will just oscillate in this way, okay, in this portion it will go, and here while it will oscillate in the right side, here in this way it will oscillate like that. Okay, this is maybe the ground position here. So while that body will climb up in the a position here, suppose you will give the name a, b and c position, in this position potential energy, potential energy is more, because it will come to the rest position here and it will achieve the height this amount. Potential energy is more, kinetic energy more, potential energy more. So in this way, potential, then kinetic, then again potential, then again kinetic, then again potential, in this way it will just work. Okay, so that is actually the working principle of simple pendulum. Next one, what is the mechanical energy, what are its different form? For the moving object, the energy processed by the moving object, it will be the mechanical energy, or in simple word you can write down the sum of the kinetic and potential energy is called the mechanical energy. What are its different form? Two forms are there, one is kinetic energy and second one is the potential energy. These are the two forms of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is equal to this only, kinetic plus potential, that is only the simple formula. Next one, explain the different forms of energy by giving one example of each. Different forms of energy: sound energy, while loudspeaker is just actually working, so in this case sound energy is there. Sunlight is coming, that means heat energy is there. uh, Electrical energy, while a current passing through a conductor, in a good conductor, that is electrical energy is there. Suppose light energy, if you talk about the suppose heat energy or light energy, suppose if you talk, then the electric bulb is glowing. So this type of so many examples are there in your book. You see once, then you will get the answer of that one. Next one, write a short note on the production of the hydroelectricity. Short note, in that case you have to say that how kinetic energy is potential energy is converted to the kinetic form, how turbine works. On that case, diagram is given on your book, you read and make a short note of that one. I have already explained that one. The next questions I will tell you in the next video. Okay, so you just try to just write all these questions in your notebook. Okay, thank you.